Whatever your opinion of Goop and Gwyneth Palthrow, her cookbook, The Clean Plate, has become a kitchen staple of mine. She has miraculously combined healing cleanses with nutritious food and delicious, easy-to-make recipes. Amazing. Whether you're after a fat flush or heavy metal detox, it's all there and it's all clean. Before starting on my lettuce cup journey, I noticed that 3 of the 4 recipes will be using poached chicken, so let's start there. I've personally found that the time it takes to poach a chicken breast really depends on the size of the breast, so check regularly to make sure it's cooked through, and then immediately remove it from the heat. I have overcooked my poached chicken many times, and trust me, nobody wants to be chewing chicken like it's bubblegum. Beyond its incredible flavor, especially if you choose a spicy version, kimchi, or fermented cabbage, comes with a number of health benefits. The most famous one being its probiotics, which supports a healthy gut. Who knew that the liquid we usually just throw down the drain after opening a can of chickpeas is actually the star ingredient of Aquafaba Mayo? Once you have a jar of this waiting for you in your fridge, you can easily whip together so many delicious meals, whether you're vegan or not. The chicken curry is perfectly complemented by the pickled red onions, giving it that extra pop of flavor. So let's start there. Even though Gwyneth recommends using ground dark meat for this one, I didn't have any on hand, so I had to get a bit creative. Rather than grating and dicing and chopping, I decided to just toss everything into a food processor and let it do all the hard work for me. This is a great hack if you need minced meat of any kind, from turkey to lamb. So just throw it in there and let it do its magic. Once your olive oil is hot, add the blended mixture to a pan and just keep chopping it up with a wooden spoon into smaller and smaller pieces until it's cooked through. All 4 lettuce cups were absolutely delicious. However, the next day, I wanted something with a little bit more of a crunch. So I decided to put some of the chicken larb onto a seed cracker with a little avocado, coriander, and lime juice. Yum.